Say hi. Say hi. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is Kajol and this is Shimba and we welcome you all to today's video. Okay, no, you don't get to eat my hair. So today I decided to film an everyday makeup look that will be glowy makeup look for you guys, and Simba doesn't want to film. But I was off of YouTube for a really long time. That was because I was feeling unwell and then Simba got really sick. He had like stomach infection and all that because he eats literally everything that he can get his mouth on. So yep, that is why I wanted to film a day in my life with Simba as well. But he doesn't like to film. He does not like camera lighting at all. But whatever. So today we are going to film an everyday makeup look, everyday glowy makeup look on a budget. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. What? And without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Kar lu main film? This is what I have to deal with every day. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to use is this Joy Herbal Hydra Boost Lightweight Day Cream. This is really moisturizing, plus it gives like that cooling effect to your skin. So I really like it, and plus it's really budget friendly. Just going to apply it all over my face. Rub it in. Do you see that it already like gives a really beautiful glow to your skin? I haven't even applied anything else, just this cream, and it looks like my skin is so healthy and glowy. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to use is this Wow Aloe Vera Gel. I'm going to use it as a primer. Now this is really cool because A, it acts as a primer. It helps your makeup to stick onto your face better. B, it is really inexpensive and cheap, so it actually replaces like the high-end primers. And third thing, it provides a cooling effect to my skin so that I have a really clear skin. As you can see, I don't really have any pimple or blemishes of the sort because I use aloe vera gel on a regular basis. This is one of my favorite as well. Now this one is a roll-on, so that makes it really easy for me to like apply it on and actually give myself a little bit of massage. Now in order to like switch it on so that it doesn't cause any leakage, you have to actually do it like this, twist it, and then just press and then just press on it so that the aloe vera gel comes out of this sort, and just like apply it to your face and then just roll it on. I got a little bit on my hair, sorry. Then I just give myself a little bit of massage with it for like a couple of minutes. Actually, it fits perfectly onto the contours of my face, so that's why it is really relaxing and calming as well. And now that I have it on, I would just like twist it back in order to like turn it off and lock it so that it doesn't like leak or anything in my makeup bag. Now the next step that I'm going to use is I'm going to go for a color corrector. This is the NYX Professional Makeup. Now you guys can completely skip this step if you don't need any color correcting, but if you do, then by all means go with any sort of color corrector that you like. I also like the Maybelline color corrector. I don't remember the name of it, but it's pretty good. So I'm just going to use the dark brown shade in order to conceal my scar. I'm just going to use my finger because the warmth of it is going to help me blend the concealer well. Do you see that? My scar is completely gone. Okay, so that is it. I just color correct my scar and that is it. I don't use color corrector anywhere else if I'm going for a like natural makeup look. Now the next thing that I'm going to use is this BB cream. On an everyday basis, I generally like to avoid foundation because foundation tend to get a little bit heavy, and plus we're not going out these days, so why would I want to waste my foundation as well as have a heavy coverage on my face? So that is why on an everyday basis I actually prefer Pond's BB cream. I just take a little bit of it on the back of my hand like so, just like this much, maybe a drop or two, and apply it with my finger, like dot it all over my face. and just blend it with a normal kabuki brush. Do you see how much coverage this BB cream provides? It's actually pretty good in like replacement of a foundation for an everyday makeup. I have literally stopped using makeup since the time Simba has come into my life, because he keeps me so busy all the time that I don't have any time to film or shoot anything. तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है मैंने लास्ट टाइम शूट किया कब था. It was definitely before Simba came. Whatever is remaining on the brush, I just drag it down to my neck. It depends on the neckline actually. If I was wearing something that was a deep neckline, then I would probably use a little bit on my neck as well, little bit of BB cream, but I'm not wearing anything like of the sort, so I'm just going to drag the product onto my neck. By far, I don't really think I need that much of concealing, just like a little bit, tiniest amount. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild cruelty free concealer in the shade medium peach, and I'm just going to apply a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes, like so, like literally the bare minimum amount, and also a little bit on the scar because it was peeking through. I'm just gonna like use the same brush and just blend the concealer in. Simba, no baba, no, stop. He's biting the stand. So that was it for the base. Now I generally avoid using a powder because it actually takes away the glowiness of the makeup. Powder actually sets it matte, so I don't prefer using that much powder. I'll just use the tiniest amount in order to pack the makeup that I put on my scar, and like a little bit on the inner corner so that there is no creasing. Powder that I'm going to use is this Rimmel Stay Matte powder, just like the tiniest amount on the inner corner of my eyes, just to set the concealer in place. A little bit on my scar to pack the concealer and the foundation in place. For my blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Cheeky Glow. It is a really old blush, so that's why you actually can't even see the print of the brand on it. It is in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. Now this one is like a really peachy blush, so it gives you a very like natural tone. Just going to apply a little bit onto the apples of my cheeks. With on an everyday basis, I just go ham on the blush because I feel like it gives you that natural look to your face and it makes you look really pretty as well. So I actually skip on contour and I just load my face with a lot of blush. Look how pretty and healthy I look in an instant with the blush. For my eyes, I don't actually do much, but I'm going to use this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use this bronzy shade just to bring like a little bit of shimmer to my eyes, because as you can see, the lid color is almost bronzy. That is my natural lid color. It is like almost bronzy, so I just like to highlight it a little bit with this shade. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to use this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. It comes with a brush, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows first. I don't really think I need to fill them in because they're like pretty bushy at this particular point of time, but I'm just going to like define them a little bit. For a natural glowy look, I don't really make my eyebrows super defined. I just let them be naturally however they are. So far my base actually looks really glowy and healthy. As you can see, I've not applied any highlighter so far, so I'm thinking I want to skip it. I don't know, let's just think. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use this peachy neutral shade, because why? This will actually look really natural. Like, see, it just enhances the natural glow of my face. I'm just going to use it very lightly with a very light hand. Apply it on my face wherever I want my face to look a little bit more glowy. Now the last and final step will be lipstick. I'm going to use this matte ink because this lipstick, you guys have seen me use it so many times, so many times. This is my favorite lip color when I'm going for natural look. No matter where I'm going, if I want my makeup to look natural, I will definitely choose this lipstick because it is like the perfect match to my lips, almost like up close, and you know, the perfect match basically. Do you see that? At first you can't even see whether or not I'm applying any lipstick. It matches my lip color perfectly. Done. So this is it, guys. This is my final look. This is my natural everyday glowing makeup look on a budget. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what more videos you'd like to see. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on all of my socials. The link will be down in the description box below. And yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll try and film more and more for you guys because I really want to be back on YouTube, but the schedule and everything has made me go crazy. But yeah, I still try my level best to film for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Simba, look. Do you like my makeup, Baba? Do you like my makeup? Do you like my makeup? No? He's sleepy. My Baba is sleepy. Say bye.